In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable show invitee declines for calendar on iPhone. So the first thing I'm doing here is opening the settings app on my iPhone. Once I'm in settings, I'm staying on the main screen and just scrolling down until I find apps. You might need to go a little lower depending on where you are in the menu, but that's fine, just keep scrolling until apps shows up. As soon as I see it, I'm tapping on it. Now I'm inside the apps section, and this is where all of the apps on the iPhone are listed. From here, I'm scrolling through the list until I find calendar. You can just move through the list normally and look for it there. Once I see calendar, I'm tapping on it, and that takes me straight into the calendar settings. At this point, I'm on the calendar settings page, and this is where the option we need is located. What I'm looking for here is the setting called Show Invitee Declines. So I'm staying right on this screen and finding that option in the list. Depending on your screen, you may need to scroll a little bit to spot it, but once you see Show Invitee Declines, that's the setting we want. Now that I've found it, all I need to do is turn on Show Invitee Declines. So I'm tapping the toggle next to Show Invitee Declines, and once that switch turns on, the setting is enabled. That's really the whole change right there. It's a simple one-tap setting once you're in the right place. As I'm doing it here, I'm just checking the toggle after I tap it to make sure it actually switched on. If the toggle is on, then Show Invitee Declines is enabled for calendar. If it's not on yet, just tap it once and it should switch over. So the main thing here is just making sure that the switch beside Show Invitee Declines is turned on before you leave the page. The full path is very straightforward. You open settings, scroll down and tap apps, tap calendar, and then turn on Show Invitee Declines. Everything happens in that same flow, and you don't need to open any other menu beyond the calendar settings for this one. Once you reach that option, it's just a quick toggle. If you're following along on your own iPhone, just take it one tap at a time and stay in the same order. Start in settings, go into apps, open calendar, and then look for Show Invitee Declines. Once you find it, tap the switch so it turns on. That's all you need to do. I'm not changing anything else here, and I'm not going into any extra settings. I'm just opening the calendar app settings and turning on the Show Invitee Declines option. So if that's the setting you wanted to change, this is exactly where you do it. Once that's done, your iPhone saves the change automatically, so there's nothing else you need to press. You can simply leave the screen as soon as the toggle is on. The important part is just making sure Show Invitee Declines is enabled before you exit. And that's it. You just open your iPhone settings, go to apps, tap calendar, and turn on Show Invitee Declines. It only takes a few moments, and once the toggle is on, the setting is already applied on your iPhone.